Hello everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you Unit 1, the body as a whole. First, we will look at the organization of the body. There are 4 chapters in Unit 1. Number 1, organization of body. Number 2, the chemical basis of life. Number 3, cells. And number 4, tissues. First, bit by bit, we'll go through organization of body. Kindly don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. You are about to begin the study of one of nature's most wondrous structures, the human body. Anatomy and physiology are branches of biology concerned with the form and functions of the body. Anatomy is the study of body structure, whereas physiology deals with the body function, how the body part works to support life. As you learn about the complex interdependence of structure and functions in the human body, you will become, in a very real sense, the subject of your own study. Regardless of your field of study or future career goals, acquiring and using information about your body structure and functions will enable you to live a more knowledgeable and involved and healthy life in science-conscious age. Your study of anatomy and physiology will provide a unique and fascinating understanding of self and allow for more active and informed participation in your own personal health care decisions. If you are pursuing a health-related career, your study of anatomy and physiology takes on added significance. It will provide the necessary foundation for an understanding of the clinical sciences. Knowledge of normal structure and function is required to understand both the nature of disease and how best to treat the sick and injured. Individuals who have a solid understanding of body structure and functions are able to better understand and interact with healthcare providers. Results of medical diagnostic tests will help more meaning and convey greater understanding. You will be better able to judge the risk and the benefits of differing medical treatments or prescribed medicine. In addition, such preventive health care measures such as breast self-examination, stress reduction, and adjustments in the nature of diet and exercise will be more meaningful and more easily incorporated into your personal lifestyle. It is important that your study of human anatomy and physiology be based on knowledge gained from actual observation and experimentation. Information in each of this video is the result of such work by scientists in each discipline. This was not always the case. For over 1500 years, writings of the Greek physician Galen served as the classic source of knowledge about the human body. Unfortunately, Galen lived in an age when actual dissection of human cadavers was prohibited. His knowledge about human anatomy and physiology was based on the studies of monkeys and pigs. Only when direct and systematic study of human body was taken by visionary scientists such as Andrea Vesalius. At that time, the most accurate and most useful information became available. As you can see in this famous painting by Rembrandt shows the importance of human dissection in teaching anatomy to 17th century medical students. Now let's head to the meaning of anatomy. Anatomy is most often defined as the study of the structure of an organism and the relationships of its parts. The word anatomy is derived from two Greek words, ana, meaning up, and timos or tomos, meaning cutting. Students of anatomy still learn about the structure of human body by literally cutting it apart. This process, called dissection, remains the principal technique used to isolate and study the structural components of parts of the human body. Biology is defined as the study of life. Both anatomy and physiology are subdivisions of that very broad area of inquiry. Just as biology can be subdivided into specific areas for study, so can anatomy and physiology. For example, the term gross anatomy is used to describe the study of those body parts visible to the naked eyes. Before the discovery of the microscope, anatomists had to study human structure using only the eye during dissection. These early anatomists could only make a whole or gross examination. With the use of modern microscopes, many anatomists now specialize in microscopic anatomy, including the study of cells called cytology and tissues called histology. Other branches of anatomy include the study of human growth and development, which is called developmental anatomy, or the study of diseased body structures, pathological anatomy. In these series, you will study the body by systems, a process called systematic anatomy. Systems are a group of organs that have a common function, such as the bones in the skeletal system and the muscles in the muscular system. Now let's get to know what is the meaning of physiology. Physiology is the science that treats the functions of the living organism and its parts. The term is a combination of two Greek words, physi, which is the meaning of nature, and logos, science or study. Simply stated, it is the study of physiology that helps us understand how the body works. Kindly, it will be a very great help if you subscribe to my channel. Physiologists attempt to discover and understand through active experimentation the intricate control systems and regulatory mechanisms that permit the body to operate and survive in an often hostile environment. As a scientific discipline, physiology can be subdivided according to: number 1, the type of organism involved, such as human physiology or plant physiology, and number 2, the organizational level studied, such as molecular or cellular physiology, or number 3, a specific or systematic function being studied, such as neurophysiology, respiratory physiology, or cardiovascular physiology. In these series, we will study both anatomy and physiology by specific organ systems. These videos begins with an overview of the body as a whole. Subsequent chapters, the body will be dissected and studied both structurally, anatomy, and functionally, physiology, into levels of organization so that its component parts can be more easily understood and then fit together into a living and integrated whole. It is knowledge of anatomy and physiology that allows us to understand how nerve impulses travel from one part of the body to another, how muscles contract, how light energy can be transformed into visual image, how we breathe, digest food, reproduce, excrete waste, sense changes in our environment, and even how we think and reason. So that's it for today. Our next video will be up. Until next time. Thank you so much for watching. But do have a quick check for yourself. I will give you a few questions for your quick check. Number 1. Define anatomy and physiology. Number 2. List the 3 ways in which physiology can be subdivided as a scientific discipline. And number 3. What name is used to describe the study of body that considers group of organisms that have a common function? Let me know if you have understood by answering these questions. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, press the bell icon button and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you.